A group of crows is called a murder, and a group of geese is called a gaggle. So, what is a group of flamingos called? I'm gonna shake up your tail feathers today and make you the perfect summertime cocktail, a pink flamingo. It's properly descriptive. A group of flamingos is called a flamboyance, a name that means strikingly bold or showy. There are lots of different recipes out there for a pink flamingo cocktail. Every base spirit is used, from vodka to gin, rum to tequila, and even non-alcoholic versions. Heaven forbid. With this framework's broad scope for creativity, I think the only necessary feature of this drink is that it should have a striking pink color and potentially a sharp, tangy flavor. It's an open slate and is so simple to make, so easy that it can be turned into a party punch for your guests. Let's do it. But do I need to stand on one leg to make this thing?
Yes. Yes, you do, Bruce.
I guess that'll test my sobriety, eh? Okay, let's get flamboyant here. We're gonna start making our pink flamingo with some gin. He's wonderful, isn't he? Okay, we're gonna go for 1 ounce. There it is there. 1 ounce of gin. And you might as well hold that bottle again for me. We might have to make another one later. Now, a little while back I was at the farmer's market, and there was a distillery set up there selling their wares, and I bought, this is from Dixon's, it's a blood orange vodka. And I thought, yeah, that sounds like an interesting little product. Anyway, we're going to also go for 1 ounce. And this is going to give us our pink, the start of our pink color. What's neat about the combination of the blood orange vodka and the gin is the vodka is going to, I guess, temper down the botanicals of the gin, right? It's gonna be nice, you wait. All right, this is a tropical kind of drink. So we've got some fresh pineapple here that I'm going to press. And yeah, I think, you know, you gotta go fresh. You gotta go fresh. It makes all the difference in the world. I mean, yeah, you could use canned pineapple juice, but if I were a flamingo, if I were a flamingo, I wouldn't be using canned. Sorry, that means doesn't. Okay, what I'm looking for is 1.5 ounces of fresh pressed. Okay. I'm just gonna fine strain this. You don't really have to, but I know there's a couple little pieces of pineapple there I don't want. Okay, next is our lime juice. Every time we press limes,
You just get sand and air.
Pretty much. I guess I gotta spend the big bucks and get some big limes. Get the big limes, right?
So you get more sand and air?
Maybe I need to move to the tropics. I don't know, man. I'm looking for Godot. No, that's waiting for Godot. I'm looking for Mr. Goodbar. Sorry, I'm looking for half an ounce. 15 mil, right? That looks pretty darn good. Okay, moving on. Now, we've got a nice color going on there right now, but I want to accent it a little more. I've got some hibiscus, and these are hibiscus flowers in syrup, and it's wonderful actually. Very tropical. 5 mil a bar spoon. That's gonna pink it up like 90. Yeah, it is. All right.
I don't know what that means.
Nobody knows. Okay, all we do is ice up our drink, give her a quick shake. How we shaking?
On one leg like a flamingo.
Shit, man. This is hard to do. I've never done that before. It's a weird balance thing. Yeah, man. Okay, one more time. I'll get this. Maybe. 2 legs. I'm a 2-legged kind of guy. Okay, sorry. What? Now you could use, a highball glass. I've got a nice little hurricane glass here filled with fresh ice. And all we're gonna do is strain it out. Oh, look at that color. Pink. Pink, 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 pink. And we leave a little bit of room at the top because we're going to top it with some grapefruit soda, right? Not a lot, maybe an ounce or so. Give it a gentle stir. Oh man, that is really inviting. Yeah, it is. And I guess we need to garnish. We'll garnish with a lime wedge. Or maybe not a wedge, maybe a wheel. Yeah. Yeah, a little lime wheel, something like that. Some fresh mint. Oh yeah, fresh mint. Just a small little sprig. So we don't want it minty, we just want it more inviting than it already is. Beautiful. Now, should we put a pineapple wedge on that? Yeah, I'm kind of liking it the way it's looking right now. All right, let's test this out, yeah. I get the mint right off the bat. A little bit of the lime, but it's that mint that just kind of draws you in, right? My Pink Flamingo is a chic and invigorating concoction. Blood orange vodka and dry gin unite for a vivid and herbaceous base. Pineapple and lime interlace sweet tropics with tangy zest, while the hibiscus syrup and grapefruit soda add floral notes and a fizzy edge. Finished with fresh mint and lime, all I can say is this cocktail is a symphony of flavors, perfect for basking in the sunshine. That is delish. It is really light.
So would you say, Bruce, this is the perfect summer sipper?
Damn straight. The perfect pink summer sipper. It's beautiful, man. Anyway, it's pink, it's beautiful, it's refreshing, it's light, it's airy. It's all of the above. Just make one. You'll like it. So, yeah. Make sure whoever is in charge of making drinks at home makes you this.
Say goodnight, Bruce.
Yeah, good night, Aaron. Pandemonium of parrots. This is better than a mere flock of seagulls, that's for sure. Better than a majestic convocation of eagles, and more thrilling than a parliament of owls. It's pure flamboyance. Pink flamboyance, that is. Don't be a lazy lounge lizard. Craft yourself a vibrant pink flamingo cocktail and celebrate with your friends like, like a charm of finches. Embrace your unique bartending skills and stand out with the pride of a peacock. Remember, you have complete freedom here. Go for it. Hit the subscribe button, check some other summertime cocktails out, and get your pinky on. Pinky. Pinky in the brain. Brain. One is a genius, the other is insane.